Find the inverse function of y equals y equal x squared plus 4x plus 5. Its domain x is greater than or equal to minus 2. I will explain what the inverse function is like with the graph. In this graph, there is a straight line passing through the center y equals x. Therefore, this angle must be 45 degrees. And if there is a function fx here, its inverse must be this one. Two distances must be same always. This means that fx function was reflected through y equals x. Therefore, its inverse function f shift x. This one. In order for us to find inverse of a function, we must replace the y by x by y, because fx was replaced by reflected through y equals x. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. And firstly, we must draw its graph, origin graph. Yeah, so complete scared form x plus 2 squared plus minus 4 plus 5. Therefore, x plus 2 squared plus 1. Its turning point is minus 2 and 1. The y-intercept 5. So we can draw easily its graph. And minus 2, turning point, minus 1, minus 2, and 1. This is the turning point, and its y-intercept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and x domain x is greater than minus 2, therefore like this. This must be dotted line, and we should draw this y equals x graph. And this graph was reflected through y equals x. Therefore, y must be replaced by x by y. X equals y squared plus 4y plus 5. Y must be made subject. Therefore, y plus 2 complete squared form minus 4 plus 5 equals x. Therefore, y plus 2 plus 1 equals x squared. Y plus 2 equals x minus 1 root plus minus root. Therefore, y equals minus 2 plus minus root x minus 1. It's a turning point. X is 1, y is minus 2. And 1, x is 1, y is minus 2. Minus 2 here roughly. And this is turning point, and x-intercept 5. This is 5. Dotted line. Because the y plus 2 equal plus minus root x minus 1, and x minus 1 must be greater than 0. Therefore, y plus 2 greater than 0, y greater than equal to minus 2. Therefore, this is the inverse function of y equals this one.